look okay? Alright, and we're back. Hey guys, what's up? It's Kiara here. I'm back with a super exciting video because today is going to be back to school clothing and a little bit of makeup haul. Honestly, that is the best part about going back to school, is getting new stuff. And if you've been watching me for a while, then you know one of my favorite things in college is to get stuff shipped to me. I did a lot of online shopping this year. I also want to give a huge shout out to Unidays for sponsoring this video. I'm actually partnering with them because I saved a ton of money on every single thing that I bought here by shopping through Unidays website. They have all the student discount codes all in one place. I know there's tons of student discounts out there in the world, and I literally forget about them every single time because I don't know which stores have them, which stores don't, and what the codes are or whatever. And Unidays puts all of that stuff in one place. Let's just get right into the video and show you guys what we got. And this is also try on haul, so you're welcome. All right, the first place is Pacsun. Pacsun has a limited time discount right now. Let me pull up my computer so I can just get accurate. So Pacsun right now has a limited time discount for 20% off. That's what we did. The first thing I got is this adorable yellow crewneck sweatshirt thing. It's also got some ribbed sort of deal on the side going on. I love this color. It's not too mustardy and it's not too neon yellow. Super great for fall time, really cozy. Wear stuff like this all the time to class, so I'm really pumped about it. The next thing I got is a graphic tee. I just need more t-shirts in my life. This was perfectly oversized. Now the graphic is interesting. Graphic tees for me are really hard. I don't really know if I like seeing or watching people attempt to read what's on my body. I don't know, I just think it's weird. Comment down below if you feel the same way. This one just says you. I don't really know what it means. I really like the color of the shirt and I like the little bit of distressed look we got going on. So I got it and I'm gonna be wearing it. Okay, the next place we went is Aerie, and Aerie has 20% off. I found two really cute things there. I got this adorable, I want to call this call it like a play suit in Australia, or a jumper or something. Anyway, I got this flowy pair of overalls and they're green and they have pockets on the back and a pocket in the front, and this is just a really chill, comfy outfit, and I love the material. The next thing I got from Aerie is also perfect for back to school and the fall time. I got this gray long sleeves. This has got a waffly material to it. It's also got a little bit of a slit on this side. I got this in a medium because I wanted it to be a little bit bigger, and I just frankly love the color. And oh my, we have a lot of stuff here. My next thing, which is so exciting, and it's in this little box. I got another pair of Ray-Bans. These are bomb. This is really funny because in my last haul I got my first pair of Ray-Bans, and in this haul I got my second pair of Ray-Bans. I'm actually literally obsessed with these. Let me just try them on. I'm gonna come closer so you guys can really see. They're gray Ray-Bans. They're really cool. They fit my head perfectly, so I'm really excited about them and I feel very cool. We got some beauty items. I feel like you always gotta stock up on your essentials, things that you need. Too Faced, they have 10% off for students. Picked up this charismatic highlighter. It's called Love Light by Too Faced, and I just thought it looked nice. I don't have like a highlighter in a single form. Like I have it in a palette, but I almost used up my favorite color, and this color was almost identical to it, and it's got a golden look to it, so I can be glowing at back to school. Next thing from Too Faced, I actually ordered this a little bit ago and I've been using this a lot. It's the Born This Way concealer. I'm in the color Porcelain. Guys, I literally love this concealer so much. Use it every day, and I can either use it with foundation or without foundation and just put it under my eyes and to cover up my zits, and I can go out in public and feel confident. Let me tell you, concealer is probably one of my favorite makeup products, and I've tried a lot of concealers and this is definitely a yes. All right, the next skincare makeup thing, back to school, we went to Clinique and we got this, which is the Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. My girl Keegan got me hooked on this. If you want to see a video of me learning how to use it, you can watch the VidCon vlogs. But yeah, this is basically a balm that you use to take off your makeup. Definitely the first time I used it, I put way too much on. Don't do that. And Clinique has 15% off. Oh wait, let's do this next thing. So I got a new pair of sneakers for back to school. I feel like you always need a nice pair of back to school shoes. These ones are from Puma. These are white platform Pumas, and they've got a little bit of silver on. We're gonna zoom in again. You see this? They look like this, and then on the toe right here they have some silvery texture. Gonna wear them a lot. Trying to clean up as I go here because I always spend like an hour cleaning up my room after I film. Hey, next shop, ladies, gents, Urban Outfitters. I don't know why I just did peace signs. Unidays has 10% off for students right now. You might notice there's kind of a pattern in this video. There's gonna be a lot of yellow and green stuff. I do go to U of O, and I always need stuff for game days, and I'm always kind of like torn on what to wear. So whenever I find yellow stuff like this, I just pick it up. I got this cute yellow crop top. It's gonna be fun to wear with maybe some white shorts or a white skirt. The next thing I got is this jacket. I don't know what this material is, but I've been seeing it everywhere. Actually, I think it's called corduroy. It is. It's definitely called corduroy. I got this jacket It's in a nice nude tan color. The next thing I got is this shirt, and it's got a bunch of holes in it. I got it to be oversized. It's size large. It's just really chill and flowy, and I think it looks cute with jeans. And I liked the little colored part on it. Ooh, I got a little hair accessory for back to school. This makes me literally feel like I'm going back to kindergarten, but I thought it was super cute. And it's navy and white polka dot. It's got a little scrunchie, and then a bow is attached to it. Ooh, we got a skirt for back to school. I'm really obsessed with skirts. I think they are so cute. And I mention a lot that like I wear sweatpants in college, but then if I don't wear sweatpants, I wear like a super cute put together outfit, and I really like skirts because they just look so cute. I got this adorable, I want to say it's plaid, but it's not plaid, and it's not gingham either, but it's like gingham with other colors on it. I really need to look up more descriptive adjectives when I'm showing things off. The next thing we got is this cute little sports bra. It looks like this. It's not really a sports bra. I guess it's like a bralette sort of thing, and it's white and light gray, and I think it's really cute, and I'm not going to try it on because that would be weird. And the next thing I got is a black long sleeves. For some reason, I don't own such a basic item. Definitely need a basic black long sleeve. This one's ribbed, really stretchy and super comfy, but also keeps you borderline warm as well. And the last thing we picked up, oh wait, no, I have two more things. Ha, something fell on the ground. The next thing I got is this yellow bodysuit. It's yellow and white stripes. Again, I'm thinking game day vibe here, maybe with some cute green shorts that I bought, and just really trying to go all out for my ducks. Okay, the last thing I got is also, you guessed it, it's yellow. I got this adorable yellow skirt, and it's got a silver zipper that goes all the way down the middle. Spices up my closet. So that's everything in my haul. I still have a couple weeks, but like I said, the online shopping can never start too early, and I'm all about just shipping myself gifts to brighten my day, even when I'm in college. And now with the money that I save on uni days, I can either buy more stuff or I can buy myself coffee, which is definitely needed. Thank you so much to Uni Days for sponsoring this video. You guys can check them out. I linked them down below in the description box. Comment down below. Let me know what your favorite store to online shop is. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. We are on the road to 20K on Insta, so let's make it happen. I'll talk to you guys later. That's all. Goodbye.